One big trend that we see is digitalisation, making the process smarter, making the customer aware of what's happening inside the machine. And with the support of artificial intelligence, now we can supervise in real time all the processes that are relevant for a tool clamping system when it comes to the clamping force as well as to the runout. My name is Pascal Forer. I'm designated CEO of the REGO-FIX Group.
I'm Dr. Lukas Weidmann and a CTO and member of the executive board REGO-FIX.
And we welcome you on the REGO-FIX booth here at the EMO in Hannover. As a world novelty, we introduced for the first time our AI-powered PGU 9900neo. It's an upgrade from our popular powRgrip PGU clamping units, this time making the process smarter, helping the customer to increase efficiency and also process security. I'm going to show you how it works and how easy it is to operate the system, giving you a 100% guarantee about your clamping cycles. So what you do, you still assemble your system, you have your cutting tool, you place the collet inside the holder, you open up the new PGU machine, you press the button, you tell the machine that you want to clamp in the tool. It's as fast as the original version with around 8 seconds. And now the machine is sending up all the information to a cloud where the artificial intelligence is then telling him that this press is an ultra press, meaning you have 100% fulfillment of the parameters, which is in terms of clamping force, transferable torque, and also with the runout. So you have a reassurance that what you're clamping here is exactly what you want to have on the machine. This is a unique solution from REGO-FIX. It's AR powered, it's the first one of its kind, and we are happy to present it here as a world premiere at the EMO in Hannover. Don't miss to stop by at the REGO-FIX booth here in Hall 4, E34 to see all these world novelties for the first time at the REGO-FIX booth.